Think about the crucial role commercial cleaning equipment plays in your workspace and business. A well-kept environment requires the right tools for the job. So, what if you could achieve this at a fraction of the actual cost? That's where second-hand, commercial cleaning equipment comes into play. But navigating this is not always easy. The variety of models, specs, and prices could be overwhelming, not to mention questions of reliability. If not addressed correctly, a wrong choice could turn into a real pain. That's why you can trust Perfection Plus in Kernersville, North Carolina for all your used commercial cleaning equipment needs.
Are you interested in enjoying the benefits of secondhand commercial cleaning equipment? It's crucial to get the right information from trusted experts. Perfection Plus units have been inspected and tested top to bottom by our experienced service department to ensure each is 100% operational. Call 336-993-3396 or visit the website at perfectplus.com to explore our available units. Thanks for watching.